Okay. Same one. This is now 2003. Question B5. Come on guys, listen. So if you look in the diagram there, they would like the length AB. So straight away, what rule do I need there? Cosine rule, very good. So I have x squared equals 13 squared plus 12 squared minus twice 12, 13 cos 22 degrees. Same paper, just question 5 now. X equals 4.87. Done. Part 2. Calculate the angle ABC. So what rule do I use now for that? Well, we can just use the sine rule. I'll just call that angle small b. So big B. Sine B over 22 equals, yeah, what's wrong? Oh, are you in radian mode?
I got 4.87.
Did you square root? Oh.
When you put plus fx instead of
I'm double checking my calculator here. 13 squared plus 12 squared minus twice 12, 13 cos 22, all rooted. Is okay? Yep. Okay, so for the second part we need the sine rule. Sine b over 22 equals sine 22 over 4.87. You see I'm using the sine rule there? Why sine rule? What do you mean? There's only 2 rules here, cosine and sine. Okay. So here we get 22 sine 22 divided by 4.87. So here I'm getting sine B is a problem. Let me double check that. Sine 22.
I have sine b more than 1.
Yeah, so do I. So do I. Sine 22. It's more than 1, isn't it?
Yeah, 1.69.
That doesn't matter here. Alright, listen. I wonder if they... Yes.
In A1, the equation to write is wrong. It should be 13 squared plus 22 squared.
Ah! That would certainly help. Thank you, Anthony.
And minus 2, yeah.
I wrote 12 instead of 22. That's a relief. I would have thought they'd given us an impossible triangle. Alright, 13 squared plus 22 squared minus 2 times 22 times 13 times cos 22. 11.07. All right. Now let's check it. Sine 22. Sine 22 over that number. 22. So we're getting sine b no less than 1. All is right in the world.
That's right.
No, degrees. Sine inverse,
Yeah, sine inverse
48.09. Well,
Yeah, 48.11.
48.1 degree, I'll round it off. Okay. Okay, can I go to the B part now?
Solid 6.
B part 1, B part 2, both equations to solve. B part 1. 2 sine theta minus cos theta equals 0. Anyone got any ideas here for what I should do first? Change cos to? No, not here because they're not squares. Yeah, how do I get tan into this now?
Just times
Sine or cosine?
I mean divide.
Divide everything by cos, yeah. You divide everything by cos theta,
Then you get sine and cosine.
then this becomes tan. 2 tan theta minus 1 equals 0. 2 tan theta equals 1. Tan theta equals 1 over 2. How many answers here? 2 answers. First answer is 26.57 degrees. And then the second answer, how do we get the second answer for tan?
Subtract by 26.
Nope.
Add by 26.
Nope.
180 plus 26.
Yep. 206.57 degrees. There you go. 4 marks for that. And then B part 2, which is the tricky one for 5. Okay. Let's, the problem here was this. If you knew that, to do that is not so difficult. But knowing that at the start is what made it difficult. I believe that's why it was 4 marks. But anyways, if you see that again, if you have a mixture of sine and cos and they're not squares, then maybe possibly try dividing by cos to make a tan. Okay, can I go on to part 2 now of this? Yep. Okay, so part 2 is the much longer equation. 2 sine theta minus cos, no sorry, I'm writing the same one. 4 sine squared theta plus 3 cos theta minus 4 equals 0. To save space, I'll just write this as 4 sine squared plus 3 cos minus 4 equals 0. Now we have a rule, sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, so then what does sine squared equal?
1 minus cos.
1 minus cos squared. I can put that in, and I get 4, 1 minus cos squared plus 3 cos minus 4 equals 0. Here I get 4 minus 4 cos squared plus 3 cos minus 4 equals 0. So I get 4 cos squared
Plus 3 cos.
minus 3 cos. Both those 4's cancelled.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's a much easier quadratic to solve now without the piece at the end. Yeah. So I'll just write it back fully. It was 4 cos squared theta minus 3 cos theta equals 0. Factorizing, I can take out cos theta and I'm left with 4 cos theta minus 3. So I have 2 answers to consider. The first one is cos theta equals 0 and the second one is cos theta equals 3 over 4. This gives me 2 answers. Theta is 0 or 360 degrees, which is fine. No, sorry, that's not, that 270. 90 or 270, sorry, I was thinking of sine there. And then cos inverse 3 over 4, let's type that in.
41.4.
Yeah, I'll just get it on the screen here. What did you say, Tanish?
41.4.
41.41 degrees.
Yeah. And
And then we do 360 minus the first answer,
318.59 degrees.
318.6 degrees then. So my answers are 41.4 degrees, 90, 270 degrees, or 319 degrees. And this is to, by the way, I'm doing this to 3 significant figures. There you go, 5 marks there.
So what if I just keep equals to all the answers instead of bracket?
No, that's not important.